What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of the MM Trades. Today I will be trading. Hopefully, I will be trading because I didn't plan to take a trade today, but I'm on the charts. But I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade. Okay, I'm only looking at the charts to see if they will form a setup. If not, I will not take a trade today. It's already 15:30 and I will be waiting until 15:50 if something happens until the session opens, and see if something happens there. Then, if nothing happens, I'm gonna take a trade. If yes, I'm gonna take a. We will see. Also, I already pre-marked the area that I want to see. As you can see on the chart, I marked these 4-hour all-time highs. As you can see, it almost took the all-time high, but it like reversed at almost at the point, and we will see what happens next. And also I marked 1 hour London session and Asian session, I think. Uh, yes, London and Asian session from this day. Also, it looks like the 1 hour candle on the Nasdaq is aiming for this 1 hour fair value gap. We'll see if it gets tapped or not. As you can see on the S&P 500, there was this fair value gap also, but it got like tapped in 1 hour before. And on the Nasdaq, it did not get tapped in. So we will see if something happens on the Nasdaq. If not, we'll be looking on the S&P 500. And yeah, what I can do now is just to wait. So yeah. Also, this big bull candle that happened on 40:30, that was a news, and I don't really know what it was, but it was core PPI and PPI, double PPI news, and I didn't want to like trade today because of that, but it happens like before the session, so I don't mind taking a trade after the news, but before a news now, man. I don't usually do that, so yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna even post this video because of the if I'm even gonna take a trade or not. But I've been planning to like start a TikTok where I'm gonna create like small content like 10-second content and stuff so it can like blow up quickly and then like mm, promote my YouTube channel because I've been looking at the bro. What the? I only have like three, three subscribers and like 2 views on my last video. On my first video, that was like the most trash. I had the most views. It was 70 views, and on the latest one, I had only 2 views. So, bro, what is happening to y'all? Please, like, uh watch my videos and I don't know, maybe share it with someone and you know because bro, I really want to like grow up on the YouTube and I mean I want to post videos but I have like almost no time. This is my like I don't even know, maybe fifth video, but I'm posting like one video per 2 weeks. Like bro, I don't have time. I've been checking, but now it's 5 views now. So someone watched the videos. Okay, I don't mind it because I want it to. So y'all saw my videos. But yeah, I think it's still like, bro, like 5 people is not too much. Like, imagine people's only like checking that shit. Like you are going in. Let's say you are going in in a park and you saw five random guys, bro. That is like nothing. Okay, we almost have on the Nasdaq this hourly fair value gap that I talked about earlier is almost going to tap in, and on the S&P 500 it looks like it's not. So maybe we will be looking at the S&P 500 because it will be like SMT on the lower time frames, but we will see. And also uh, trading all-time highs is not that easy because you don't know where the price gonna end up, because it's like creating a new high and you don't have like let's say liquidity where it wants to grab, so it will go like maybe it will go up like too much or not, I don't know. So it's like unpredictable, and you need to use like some retracements and stuff. Okay, on the Nasdaq, the hourly candle tapped in the 1 hour fair value gap, and now I will wait for a confluence on the lower time frames to see what happens with the trade, or I don't know, I'm gonna say. Also, my bias is bullish that I didn't mention. So yeah, I will be taking longs today. Hopefully, I will take longs if like my price doesn't go like immediately up. So yeah, now we are waiting on confluence on the lower time frame. Also waiting for the macro like open. It's like in 7 minutes. So yeah, let's just wait now. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, this candle closed above the 79 extension rate on the Fibonacci retracement. So I want to see some like low time frame fair value gap or something to get like filled, and then I'm gonna enter a trade, not like just purely out of the closure out in the Fibonacci. Also, I've been looking on like S&P 500, and I noticed it's like building a SMT divergence between the Nasdaq. So I still want to look at Nasdaq just because of the 1 hour fair value gap. But I mean there is also a fair value gap on the S&P 500. But uh, just want to take a long on Nasdaq today because of the 4 hour highs that I mentioned in the start of the video. Okay, the SMT failed between these two because there's like a big ass candle to the downside on both of the charts, so the SMT failed. Maybe it will take the London and Asian session lows first, then go up. I don't know. We will just need to wait and see what happens. Okay, we've got in 5 seconds. It look like it's gonna break a structure to the upside on the 1 minute. Okay, it did. Now I'm waiting for like third confluence, like I said before. Maybe this fair value gap will like be created and then get tapped in, or maybe this order block. So yeah, now we still wait. There's like moves happening and still didn't tap into this gap. Like, bro, I don't know if I missed my entry. It looks like I did, but still waiting. Or maybe I'm gonna take a short today because it looks like it's going to tap in into this 5 minute gap. Also this high, and this high, when it will be created, it forms like, you see, the SMT divergence between these two pairs. So maybe I'm gonna take a short just because of the SMT if it forms. But then there's also like breakout structure on with this candle, so I don't know if I should be taking short to these lows on London and Asian lows, or taking long to a this 4 hour all-time high. So it's like it's literally like in between these two zones. So this is gonna be a hard day. Maybe I'm not gonna take a trade. We will see. I'm still waiting. Also, look, it already tapped in this gap, and the this bearish candle is like forming. So it looks like we are taking shorts today. Okay, we have break of structure on the 1 minute and fair value gap tapped in. So I still want to like see if the 1 minute closes like if it like closes below something, then I'm gonna enter. I'm not gonna enter like just purely out of this fair value gap getting tapped in, you know. Okay, I entered my position out of this inverse of gap, so I'm taking like this the trade. I'm gonna put my stop loss here. Hopefully it's gonna be like tapped in like in 2 seconds. And I'm going to put my take profit at the London high, targeting 1 to 4. So yeah, let's see what happens next. Also, I'm not going to be on the chart because I need to take a shit and I need to eat and I need to do something. So yeah, I will come back in like 1 hour or something to see what happens in my positions and see ya for now. Okay, so I did not even finish my meal and I got notification that I have been stopped out. Uh, Probably shouldn't take the short in the first place because of my bullish bias, but it is what it is. I can do nothing with this. And it was like consolidating. Here I gained like confidence. Here I thought it would go like down immediately, but now it like consolidate then stopping me out, and I know what's gonna happen now. After the stop loss gets hit, it will go straight down. I swear. Like look. So yeah, it is what it is for today. I'm not gonna like take another trade. So yeah, if you want to see like more of this content, I'm going to create like a TikTok channel maybe today, maybe in few days, I don't know. And yeah, if you like want to see more of this, subscribe, like, share. You will do me a favor, you already know that. So yeah, see ya for now and see you in the next one.